Okay, with this short video, I'm going to walk you through the path to get Microsoft Project. You're going to need that applications for this course, so let me walk you through the path. There's a fair amount of steps here, so hang with me. All right, I'm at the home page, www.embryhills.edu. I hit current students. I go to technology services. So far, it's very straightforward. I just page down. Here's the information technology services. FYI, here's the business computer lab. Here are the hours. And if you need Microsoft Project and you don't have a computer, it's loaded in B116 computer lab, and those are the hours. So it's there if you can't, for some reason, download it. Your computer goes down, whatever the case may be, you just don't have one, you're in between computers, whatever the case is. Anyway, so it's here, it's on campus. All right, so here we are, Information Technology Services. Now I'm going to, and first of all, I'm going to throw a big kudos to Information Technology Services. They're fantastic. They really are very helpful, so do not hesitate to contact them. They are there to help. So, and they're great. They really are. All right, so here we go. I'm going to hit software. Now this gets to be a busy screen. Look at all this stuff. Wow. Free and discounted software. College, I'll let you read it. Notice Microsoft Office 365 Pro Plus is free, so if you're looking for Office free, it's there. Those have added me for Business 1100 know that. Then there's this thing called Imagine Standard that's free, available to all students, but since you're a business student, you're special. And you can go down here into Microsoft Imagine Premium Free. Available only to current ITC or business program students. So let's log in. Here's what we want. Aha! Microsoft Imagine Premium on the hub. Notice all these all these terms being thrown about here. And it even gets more confusing, but we can make it through this. Look at the breadcrumbs here. Home, technology service, free and discounted software, student Imagine Premium, that's the breadcrumb leading us to here. That's how we got here. I'm going to log in. So just use your star ID and password. Hit it. All right. Cool. Now we're on this thing called On the Hub. I don't even know how to say that. Embry Hills Community College, ITC, students, faculty. All right. That's cool. It's all good. And now to make things a little bit more challenging for us, they put this thing here called Microsoft Imagine Program is now part of Microsoft Azure Development Tools for Teaching. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. But you need to click this link because that's how we get to the software. Oh, all right. Here we go, another thing to read. Notice all the steps we're going through. That's why I created this video. All right, so I have a Microsoft account, and I think most likely what will work is your star ID and password, but let's get in here. All right, sign in. Notice all the steps we're going through. Also, though, so here we are. We're in this thing called, it used to be the hub, now it's something else. Notice this, though, up here in the right-hand corner. Here's my star ID and my password and all that. So that I use that to get in. Most likely you will be able to too. You will be able to too. If not, use a Microsoft account, create one. Anyway, all right, here we are with this really very sort of overwhelming screen, to be honest with you. And a lot of this, to also be honest with you, is IT stuff. SQL databases, Azure is in the cloud application universe, if you will. I will say this, I did recently download this product right here, SQL, because I use this with a product called Tableau, which I teach in Business 1100, and it's a fantastic product. I'd never used it before, and it's a database. It's a relational database. It's more than that, but if you have some interest in this, go ahead and download it, especially if you're interested in data analytics, because almost always with data analytics, it's an application on the front end manipulating data visually, and on the back end is a server, a database, a relational database. And this is a great one, industry standard. There's other ones, but this is a fantastic one if you're interested in data analytics. All right, but I digress. Here we go. Let's go here. Let's go. So we're here, education quick start. Let's go here, right here. All right, up pops a whole bunch of stuff, and we need to be careful here because we got a lot of things that most of this we don't need. We do need this for this class. Microsoft Project, or Project Professional 2019. It's a productivity tool, and there's one thing we should know, a couple things we need to know. The text uses MindTap. Microsoft Project 2016 is very similar. You'll be fine with 2019. So download this. Also, depending on your computer and what it supports, let's go up here. Okay, let's go up here. Look at all this stuff. Wow, it's cool. It is cool. Let's go to System Type. We're really not concerned with a service in the cloud kind of a service, so we can take that off. However, we are concerned with this, 32-bit and 64-bit. If you have a 64-bit machine, go ahead and use it and use the more power and the quicker speed that comes with that type of processor. But many of you don't. So make sure you understand what kind of system you have, because if the default is this, 64, that's sort of what's out there right now as a standard. You can see that right there, but your machine might not have that. So you need to do a little research to see what your machine has. But if there's any doubt, if you have a 32, click that. Notice it's in two flavors, if you would, 32 and 64. Either one will work. And I really think most likely a 32 will work even on a 64-bit machine, but I'm not an IT person. But at any rate, don't put a 64-bit software on a 32-bit machine. That's a recipe for trouble. So there you go. All right, that's that. Now I'm just going to click this one, see what happens. All right, here it is. Project Professional 2019. There's a key here. It says 64. Notice 64-bit. Click this. You view the key. It tells you the key. Download key. I'm not going to do it. I'll let you do it. And then you click download it, and then it's a straightforward process. But getting there to it isn't, as you can see. All right. That's it. I was going to go through this thing all over again, but I'm not going to. That's why we got a video. If you need to walk through the path again, just reboot the video, and away you go. So, good luck with the semester. Good luck with Microsoft Project. Please shoot me an email. You have my cell phone number even. If you have issues, and my virtual hours are listed there. So, good luck with the semester, and we'll talk to you soon.